Welcome to my Fakeaway series, where I'm going to teach you how to cook your favourite takeaways at home. This time we're cooking this banging, crispy, sweet and sour chicken. And don't worry, the full recipe and method are down in the caption. Throw your chicken into a bowl along some salt and a beaten egg. In a separate bowl, add corn flour, 5 spice and salt, then mix well. Dredge the chicken through the flour and knock off any excess. Do this a few at a time for best results. Fry in oil heated at 180 degrees for about 4 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of at least 75 degrees. I like to do this in 2 batches as not to overcrowd the pan. Remove from the oil and drain on some kitchen paper. Stir fry the peppers and onion for a couple of minutes, and now we're going to make the sweet and sour sauce. So add in tomato ketchup, sweet chilli, soy, vinegar for acidity, sugar for sweetness, and finally some orange juice. Bring up to a simmer and reduce until sticky and thickened. Now we're going to finish the dish, so toss through the crispy chicken, showing off your best wok skills. Finally garnish with some freshly chopped spring onion and then tuck in. I like to serve with some fried rice. This was one of the most requested recipes so far. What would you like to see me cook next? Hit me up in the comments. Absolutely banging.